Hey guys, it is another deal day where each week we look at a new property in a new market to determine if it makes sense as an investment property. This helps us build repetition, discover new markets, and become better investors. This week, we're going to look at Cincinnati, Ohio. And one of the reasons we're looking at Cincinnati, Ohio is I've seen several articles now, including this one from Rocket Mortgage that says that Cincinnati is number 9 on the most promising and best places to invest in real estate in the US. So I want to take a deeper dive into the market and then look at a specific property. Before we go into the market, just want to say thank you guys and girls for giving the video a thumbs up and for subscribing to the channel. We've been growing pretty healthily over the last couple of weeks. I really appreciate it. It really helps the channel, helps us reach more people and help more people become better investors. So thank you. All right, let's look at the overall market of Cincinnati, Ohio, because we always like to look at the market before the specific property to understand what's going on with the market and if it's going to continue to trend in one way or the other. So Cincinnati, Ohio has a population of 306,000 people. It's been flat since 2000, but that's okay. It's not shrinking and flat is okay. It has a job growth of 3.9%, which is healthy. It's got an unemployment rate of 3.5%, which is around the national average. It's got an average annual salary of $56,915, which is perfectly fine. And it's got a median sales price of $250,000, which is up 4% year over year. And it's been in a healthy upward trend over the past several years. So overall, Cincinnati is a market. I give it a thumbs up. Great market. All those numbers look terrific. Nothing sticks out to me. Let's go ahead and look at a specific property in Cincinnati. We're going to choose 3557 Wilson Avenue in Cincinnati, Ohio, 45229. And we're going to look at the Google Street View test. And looking at the Google Street View test, nothing sticks out to me. The streets look decent. Not a lot of trash, not a lot of people hanging out. So we'll give it a thumbs up on the Google Street test. Next, let's take a look at the listing. This property is listed for $155,000. It is a pretty big single family, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,942 square feet, built in 1895. So it is an older property. And when I'm looking through the listing photos, my rehab suggestions would be redoing the kitchen, redoing and finishing the bathrooms so they're really nice. Kitchen bathrooms are a good place to spend money in a rehab budget. Finishing off the porch ceiling, it looks like it's just gone. Skim coating the drywall's messed up in a few areas. It looks like it's seen some better days. Replacing light fixtures, kind of unifying them throughout the property. Scraping the popcorn ceiling. I haven't found anybody that loves popcorn ceiling unless it comes back in style, but currently it is not in style. Install new LVP flooring upstairs. Lastly, get that garage in good working order. I don't know if the door's not there, or just put a really nice garage door on that thing, because that is valuable to tenants. They like to store their car or store other stuff, lawn equipment, etc. So garages are a value add of a property. My rehab budget for this one, it's a medium, probably slightly over a medium rehab, and I'd estimate around $20 a square foot, or somewhere around $40,000. Zillow shows rent at $2,557. That's how much they estimate. That seems really high to me for this market. And looking at comps, I'd be much more conservative and probably estimate that I get somewhere around $2,000. But Zillow has it way high for some reason. Comps are in the neighborhood of $265,000 to $275,000 for this property. Property taxes are $878 a year, which is super low, which is great. What sticks out to me on the analyzer is after a $40K rehab, you'd end up having a $60K equity position. So this could be a great flip. It's always good once you renovate a property to have equity in it. So you know that if you do sell it, you'll be able to make money there. If you look at the cash flow, if you purchase this all cash, you end up getting $1,450, about 8.5% cash on cash return, which is not bad. And if you leverage the property, you got a loan on it, you'd get about $250 a month, or 6%. And this we are estimating at that $2K a month in rent. So if you can get more, those numbers go up which is awesome. I wouldn't anticipate getting a ton of appreciation. It looks like this market has been appreciating for a while now, so you probably should get a very low to moderate amount of appreciation, maybe 1 to 2% a year. This works. This property works as a long-term rental. It works as a flip. It gives you equity. I mean, I love it. I think this is a great property. I'd purchase this one. Overall, I'm giving the property a thumbs up. I'm giving the market a thumbs up. Hey everyone, thanks a lot for watching another Deal Day video. If you found this video valuable, we'd love you to subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel immensely. It helps us grow. It helps us reach new investors. Helps us help people start their financial journey to financial freedom.